Yeah. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, no.
Took some Patron shots in the back. Niggas said, I bet you won't. I said, give me another shot. I bet I will. Fucking alcohol is kicking in. It is. Hey, on the real though, this is for all the people who have kids and your kids are too damn grown. This is what they look like. Walking in the house, mama.